In this video, I'll show you how to remove background from any image for free. So to get started, go ahead and open your browser. So using this Remove BG web application, you can remove any background from any image that you have. So what you need to do is to go ahead and open this and click on this upload image or drop your image into this section. And once you have uploaded your image, this will be processed on the website. And as you can see in here, the website will do its job to remove the background of your uploaded image. So as you can see, you can download it on the quality that you prefer from this option. So you can download it for free or download it in max quality if you actually avail the premium services of Remove BG. And that is how you can simply remove any background for free. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.